Yo, what's poppin', beautiful people? We've got ourselves a funky little project bike right here. A Honda TMX155. A true road warrior that's been hustling as a tricycle in our town for more than a decade. 12 hours a day of non-stop action, serving folks and spreading motion magic. Now it's tired. It's rugged. But hey, that just means it's got soul, and we're here to bring that soul back to life. This bad boy's rocking a 155.3cc 4-stroke, air-cooled OHV engine with a magneto ACCD ignition, pure old-school power. Around 11.5 horses at 7,500 revolutions per minute. 12 Newton meters of good vibrations at 5,000 revolutions per minute. For gears. All downshift. No electric start, just raw kickstart energy. We're gonna try to flip this ride back into something groovy. All on a humble budget. And share the trip with you guys. So drop a comment. Let me know where you're vibing from. Stay tuned. And let's keep riding this wave together. One love. Family.